Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to find friends on Facebook by phone number. Let's get started because it's quick and easy. I've got Facebook open right now, and if you want to add someone, you've probably added their contact information to your phone, and now you want to add them to Facebook as well. I'll start by taking you through the steps one by one. First, touch on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner here. Then click the settings icon over here to access your settings and privacy, and after that, scroll all the way down to where it says permissions. You'll notice there is an option to upload contacts, and then select that. As you can see, it is currently turned off. However, if I turn it on, it will say get started. Now it says Facebook wants to access your contacts. Just touch allow, and it will scan through your contacts list that you have saved on your smartphone, and you will see all of your contacts who use Facebook. I believe I've added the majority of people, which is why I don't have any suggestions. Well, this will show you the entire list. If you don't need to add them right now, simply press skip or done, and then that's it. That's how you add people from your contact list to Facebook by phone number. So Facebook can somewhat connect these people from your contacts to Facebook, and if you ever want to turn it off, you can easily toggle it off and then turn it back on if you want to add more people. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.